Fix that.
Maybe it's okay, right?
Yeah, that one, this one, and this one, di ba?
Okay, you want this size, di ba?
Oo. Small.
Medium.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So guys, bibili kami ng outfit for tomorrow concert ng SB19. Patrick will buy me the outfit, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi siya makakasama. For only Filipino lang daw yung concert na ito. Kaya naman, we don't have any choice. We are going to the venue now
Okay, and then you can just
to see where it is.
go in the elevator.
And then,
Fourth floor.
fourth floor. So, ayan guys. So, hoy, shopping. So, dinala niya muna ako dito para alam ko na kung paano pumunta bukas. Kasi kailangan ko gumising ng maaga. Very maaga. Kasi ako lang mag-isa pupunta dito. Tapos siya, may iwan sa apartment. And after namin makita yung venue, dadalhin na niya ako sa... Ibibili niya na ako ng outfit. Di ba?
Oh.
You're going to buy me the outfit, di ba?
Yes. Okay.
Kasi, I prepared everything bago ako pumunta dito kasi guys, nagpa 2 days off ako para talaga sa concert ng SB19. And then, as in, dinala ko lahat ng mga pang-outfit ko guys, na-ready ko talaga. Pati yung 18 shirt ko. Is dinala ko sa company namin. And then, naiwan ko guys. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, naiwan ko yung outfit ko. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, bibili na lang daw niya ako. So, I'm so happy naman. So, hindi ko alam. Tingnan natin kung ano may bibili namin mamaya. And I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Babe, I'm so excited. Ito na yung concert area. Ayan. 4th floor. Dito kami. Oh my God. Walang tao dito. Talagang pumunta kami. I'm so excited guys. Sobra. So, nakita ko na yung place. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa shopping mall. Di ba? And, it's around Taipei 101. Malay mo makita namin dun si Josh at saka si Ken kasi dumating na dito sa Taiwan. Yay! I'm so excited. Babe, I'm sad, Pablo.
Why said Pablo?
Pablo is not coming. So guys, nandito na kami sa mall and we are looking now sa net kasi dun na kami bibili. Look, oh, ang laki ng pusa. Look. Ang cute. Ang dami ditong cats. Sadly guys, hindi kami pwedeng magdala ng malalaking props for tomorrow. Even alam niyo yun, meron akong placards na papipirmahan sana. Hindi ko na dinala kasi ayaw kong mahasel. Gusto ko na lang i-enjoy. Bawal actually. And I'm sad about that.
Probably that.
So guys, we don't see net here. So, dito na lang kami titingin sa Uniqlo. Ayan. Any outfit idea? Well,
Would you wear something like this?
maybe no. Wanna
What if
see?
something like this?
Let's see. I wanna fit, diba? So this is my choice, guys. Babe, should I fit?
Yes.
How about this?
Okay, take 2 colors so you can compare.
Diba?
Oh,
Diba? And then what is the top?
the same one we see.
Fix that.
Maybe it's okay, right?
Yeah, that one, this one, and this one, diba?
Okay, you want this size, diba?
Okay. Small.
Medium.
Yeah,
Small.
this one is small.
You need it extra small or no?
I think it's this. So yan yung gagayahin kong outfit. So nakapili na ako guys. At oras na para magbayad. I'm so excited.
Still gonna go there too.
So guys, finally I got my outfit and he's very patient of waiting for me. Naiinip na siya kakapili ko. Ang tagal-tagal. Diba? Tadan! Thank you, babe. So supportive. Since we got my outfit for tomorrow, guys, we are going now to the restaurant. Diba?
If it's still open, or we can go to a
It's
different
still
restaurant.
open. I-donate niya ako. Are you dating me tonight?
Yes, dating you.
Kasi hindi niya na ako nagde-date. Hindi na kami nagde-date. Our schedule is not always and he is now make bawi to me. Diba? Bawi.
What is about it?
I don't know. So I am happy that I have my outfit for tomorrow. Why did you buy me the outfit?
I just know you really deserve that.
Huh?
You really deserve that.
Oh, I deserve daw. I deserve. Oh, haba ng hair ng lola nyo. Sobrang excited.